What's good, everybody? It's your boy Rob back with another quick video, and I'm here to give you the top 5 tips or top 5 tricks and tips and whatever you want for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. And these are the 5 ones that I mean, there's plenty more. But these are just the top 5 that I want to show you that I think right off the top you should do. So the first one I'm going to show you is I want you to go into your settings menu. Pretty much a lot of these are based in your settings, but go into your settings, get rid of that, and then scroll down to the bottom to About Phone. Once you do that, I want you to click into that. Now once you're in here, at the top you got your phone name. As you can see, I edited and changed the name, but if you click on that, you can go in there, change the name of your phone, which allows you to locate your phone easy if you're setting up on a Wi-Fi or if you're trying to do a link, and it pretty much helps your computer find your phone with a customized name. So if you decide to do anything like a link to Windows or a link to another Samsung device, this will allow you to locate your phone in a much more faster way. So again, tip number 1, customize your phone's name. Now number 2, now this is another important one. This is more on the security side, but I want you to turn on required open eyes option when using your Face ID. Now again, go to your setting, then you want to go to security and privacy. Once you're there, click on that, and then go to biometrics. Midway down, click on biometrics. Then when you go into that, I want you to click on the face recognition. Put in your code, and you're going to scroll down, and midway down the list you're going to see require open eyes. Tick on that button to turn that on, so nobody can get in your phone while you're asleep just holding your phone up to your face. You will want your eyes open, and this is a pretty good option. I will highly recommend this. Make sure you require open eyes when using Face ID. Alright, back up out of that. Now number 3 on the list is make sure you turn on circle to search feature in your with the new AI search. When you circle an item, that's not turned on off the top. So if you want to make sure that's turned on to allow you to Google search anything or any items that you circle with the S Pen, what I want you to do is go in your settings, then go to display. Once you're in display, scroll down to the navigation bar. Now once you're at the navigation bar, click that and turn on circle to search. If you click that, activates that particular option, and then you're off to the races. You will be able to circle to Google search any item or picture you see with the S Pen. Okay, next up, number 4, how to turn on lift to wake. Now what I want you to do is I want you to go into your your settings, then scroll down to advanced features. Once inside advanced features, scroll down to motion and gestures. Click on that. Once you're inside motions and gestures, turn on lift to wake, which is at the top of the list. You can also turn on some other features like double tap to turn on your screen, double tap to turn off your screen, alert when pick up phone. You can turn that on, mute with gestures. There's so many different items here you can do. You got the old school swipe to screen catcher. So if you like, not just turning on lift to wake, there's a whole host of features you can turn on in this particular section. And by all means, turn on the ones that work with you and the way you'd like to use your phone. Number 5 on the list also involve being in the advanced feature section. So get to this part, and what I want you to do is once you get there, I want you to go to labs. Now what we're going to do here is turn on multi-window for all apps. There are a lot of apps that doesn't work well with multi-window, but with this particular feature, it can make apps that normally don't work in a multi-window setup to actually work. I would suggest clicking add-on. Pretty much make any app that you have on your phone fit in a multi-window setup. So that's a major good, plus to have turned on, and I would highly recommend that. So those are like my top 5 things I will, I would recommend you doing off the top. Just to, I call these the basic 5 things that you should turn on as you're getting familiar with your S24 Ultra. If you're new to Android, these are all cool features to turn on and give you a little bit more convenience as you grow and learn how to work your phone. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and leave all your questions down below. I'm going to try to get to them. The studio app YouTube offers is pretty poor when it comes to notifications, but I've been getting them kind of late. But I'm not ignoring a lot of you people out there. I'm going to try to answer a lot of those questions as soon as I get the actual notification. Again, thank you. Thanks for the support, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.